Hi everybody, welcome to my new video. Ja sam Georgia, and in this video I wanted to give my reaction to the Norwegian song for the Eurovision Song Contest 2022 performed by Subwoofer and their song, a very fun song called Give That Wolf a Banana. They have won the Norwegian national selection and now they will be representing Norway in the first semi-final of the Eurovision 2022. So this is my reaction, this is how I see the song and the performance. Everyone's gonna remember them. Everybody is gonna, have focus on them when they see the outfits and the masks. From the first second till the last, I think people are gonna be interested in and involved in this. the lyrics are crazy, but they're fun. So we need some fun entries too. They have a great choreography, a very danceable choreography that everybody can learn, and I think everybody will learn and will be singing to this. This is definitely like the 2022 version of What Does the Fox Say? I don't know if it's them, if it's Alves, or I don't know what their name is, but it does sound like that, and that was a huge hit all over the world. So this one could also be a huge hit in Eurovision and after Eurovision, even before Eurovision. I mean, this is fun. This is just so much fun. And I mean, I love that there are songs like this as well. Some people say, oh, this is a joke entry. I think it's a fun entry, not a joke entry, it's a fun entry. Because we have songs like these on the charts every year. So why not have one or two songs in Eurovision? There are 41 songs this year. So what if two are just this fun, like Latvia and Norway? I'm okay with that. And this dance breakdown also is really fun. And I like the colors, the black and the yellow and a bit of white there. Plus the red background. And it just fits because everything is important in the performance. And I think they've really done everything well. From the choreography to their outfits to the masks. It's very aesthetically pleasing, that's what I want to say. Plus the song is fun, it's catchy, it's modern. People are gonna go crazy for this. That's for sure. Like, social media are gonna be on fire with this song, and their success on the charts, I think, is gonna be huge. People are already loving this, and I think people are definitely going to be loving this in these months to come, before Eurovision, at Eurovision, and after Eurovision for sure. So what do I think of Subwoofer's chances in Turin? Well, I'm gonna go all in for this one, and I'm gonna say that this has the potential to maybe win the televote in the semi-final or in the final even, because this is fun, this is something that people love to listen to, this is what makes people laugh, this is what makes people smile, and this is what people want to listen to, and I think a lot of kids are going to love this, and that's also important because also kids will be tuning in and they will be loving the costumes. And I think this is going to do very well. I think this is going to be, if they don't win the televote, I think they're going to be very, very high with the televote. The jury might love it as well. I don't think they will place them in the top 5, maybe not even top 10, but I don't know. I think if they place them in the top 15, even if they place them on the 20th place and they win the televote, or they end up in the top 3 or 5 of the televote, they could still manage to get a top 10 result. And I would honestly say that this could get to the top 10 overall. Right now, I'm positive that they will be in the top 10 in the final. So what do you guys think of Subwoofer and Give That Wolf a Banana? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? What do you think of this entry? What do you think of its chances in Eurovision? Let me know in the comments below and let's discuss. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, keep in touch because I'll be doing a lot of other reactions to Eurovision songs from 2022. And yeah, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Ciao.